Welcome. Today I'm going to shed some light on NSG. It's Nuclear Supply Group and not National Security Guards. So I would like to be clear on that part. So who are these nuclear supplier groups? So these are the group of countries, 48 countries all around the world, who control the trade of nuclear goods. Okay, and unfortunately India is not a part of it, but if you see the history of it, this group was created because of India's Pokhran testing. So at that time India was just a new country, and they didn't think India could pull it off. But seeing the capabilities of country like India, they just created this group. And right now, the reason why India is not being a part of this group is because India has not signed NPT, which is Non-Proliferation Treaty. Why has India not signed? Because one, it cannot sign because the treaty says only countries which have tested nuclear technology before 1967. Are you kidding me? India was just 20 years old by then. How do you expect us to do it? And the next thing is, it has ups and downs, and it favors more towards the bigger countries. The one more reason why India does not join is because of our very dear neighbor and their sidekicks, China. They do not want us to join for a lot of good reasons. Okay, and since nuclear supplier group is works on consensus, everybody needs to accept so that we can get in. But right now the future of India in energy is good, fine. So because of all these changes, there are possibilities that India can get into energy. India is already there in missile technology control regime, MTCR. Okay, that means we are there as new missile power. All we have to do is as nuclear power. Why is it important? Why energy is important? Energy is important because we get an opportunity to get into the market and get the lowest price possible. Right now, also it's possible to get lowest price without getting into the market, but it's not guaranteed. Fine. So in India, will definitely look into going into nuclear power because it's a form of green energy and the energy of future. And getting into nuclear supplier group is a very important milestone in the path, and it will definitely make sure and India's future looks bright. That's it. Thank you.
Jai in all. Today we discuss about NSG, Nuclear Supply Group. Nuclear Supply Group is a group of nuclear suppliers countries to contribute to non-proliferations of nuclear weapons. NSG was created following the explosion in 1974 of a nuclear device by a non-nuclear weapon state. Nuclear technology is created only for peaceful purpose, but it could be misused. The aim of the NSG is to ensure that nuclear trade for peaceful purpose does not contribute to the proliferations of nuclear weapons or other nuclear explosive devices. NPT, Non-Proliferation Treaty, is an international treaty which came into force in 1970. The main objective of the treaty was to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons and technologies. Apart from India, Pakistan and Israel have also not signed NPT. India refused to sign because at that time India cannot even be one of the nuclear weapon states. China insisted that India should sign NPT for NSG membership. China, New Zealand, Ireland, Turkey, South Africa and Austria were opposed to India. NSG membership will essentially increase India's access to the state-of-the-art technology from the other members of the group. And India is allowed to produce nuclear equipment. Will give a boost to Make in India program. It will boost the economic growth of our country. India gets chances of entering into the NSG, and India should take up this opportunity to aggressively pursue the development of nuclear energy and to reduce the carbon footprint pledged during the climate summit. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ashwin Paneerselvam, here to present my lecturate on the topic NSG. So what is NSG? NSG or Nuclear Suppliers Group is a multilateral group of 48 participating countries that are all nuclear suppliers that contribute towards non-proliferation of nuclear weapons and nuclear technology, with two sets of guidelines, one for nuclear export, the other for nuclear related export. The main aim of NSG is to ensure that nuclear trade between peaceful nations does not contribute towards proliferation of nuclear weapons and technology, and to also ensure that nuclear trade and cooperation between the participating governments is not hindered by any way. Why was NSG started? NSG was started after a nuclear device explosion in 1974 in a non-nuclear state, which demonstrated to the whole world that a nuclear device which was developed for the sake of peace could also lead to destruction. So why has India not been a part of NSG yet? To understand this, we must first know what is NPT. NPT or Non-Proliferation Treaty is an international treaty developed in 1970 with the aim of reducing or even stopping nuclear devices sale between countries. India, Israel and Pakistan have not signed NPT yet. So why is the reason India has not joined NSG? Chinese opposition is one of the main reasons. As of the 48 participating governments, majority of the governments have backed India's membership into NSG, but Pakistan, China, Ireland, South Africa and New Zealand have rejected India's membership. Chinese government insists that India must first sign NPT and then become a part of NSG. What are the advantages if India joins NSG? If India joins NSG, Indian government will get access to state-of-the-art technology in terms of nuclear weapons and nuclear technology, which will boost India's Make in India program, which in turn will boost our economy. So to conclude this, the new framework launched by NSG to accept new members will help India very much to boost our economy and to also boost our strategic planning. India must go at this aggressively to become a part of NSG, which will help us develop our nuclear devices and nuclear technology with safety as its first priority, and will also help us reduce the carbon footprint by implementing cleaner energy sources like nuclear power. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. I'm going to give my opinions on the topic of Nuclear Supplier Group. What is Nuclear Supplier Group? The Nuclear Supplier Group is a group of nuclear supplier countries that seeks to contribute to the Non-Proliferation Treaty of Nuclear Weapons through the implementation of two set of guidelines for the nuclear export and nuclear related exports. The Nuclear Supply Group has been created after the explosion in 1974 of a nuclear device by a non-nuclear weapon state, which demonstrates that the nuclear technology transfer for the peaceful purposes could be misused. This aim of this NSG is to the NSG guidelines is to ensure that peaceful the trade for peaceful purposes of nuclear technology, and to contribute the proliferation of not to contribute to the proliferation of nuclear weapons or other nuclear explosives. NPT. India has not signed NPT and NSG. NPT is a non-proliferation treaty. It has to be signed before to be a part of the Nuclear Supply Group. NPT is an international treaty which came into force in 1970. The main objective was to prevent the spread of nuclear and weapons and weapon technologies. Apart from Pakistan, India, Pakistan and Israel has also not signed this NPT. India refused to sign the NPT because the NPT defines that nuclear weapon states that the tested devices before 1967, which means India cannot be a part of that, and no fixed timelines have been mentioned for disarmament. NPT is an unfair treaty that states have an obligation to give them up, and the non-nuclear states are not allowed to have them up. China's opposition. Even though India's treaty was backed up by the 48 countries, China opposed this because it wants a non-discrimination criterion to sign India for the non-proliferation treaty. But India has feel this is unfair, and though it didn't sign. If India signed, Pakistan has also has to sign. So Pakistan's credentials were not up to the mark because it has some flaws, and also it is not inadequate. And if what is I'm saying means India has to sign this treaty because it will develop our country in nuclear technology, and also it increases the economic growth and the nuclear development, which also reduces the carbon content of which concluded in the climate summit. Thank you, sir.